And welcome back to Zero Time Dilemma. We did the good bean things. We did all the rooms there. We could look into another one of Q teams, which I think I will. I do not like Q team, but we have to do certain things there. This is the voting. And, that one doesn't look too bad. We'll go with it. What do we get here? Jump. We get a decision point, and it looks like a puzzle, so we'll see what goes here. Radical 6.
Huh? Why?
Nope. It won't even budge.
Dun, dun, dun. I wonder if it's a kid. It's a pillow?
Formaldehyde solution.
Oh, it is a pig.
A pig.
It's okay, Mira. I'm right here with you.
Okay, Eric.
We're in the biolab, right?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So there's a bunch of biological research here.
Jeez, this place is really creepy. Why is something like this in a bomb shelter?
Maybe the builders thought to be prepared for some kind of pandemic.
Maybe.
Pandemic?
An infectious disease that hits on a global scale. It's like a sudden deadly virus outbreak.
Maybe this place is an isolated location for researching all kinds of viruses like that.
Maybe. It's a plus on it all.
Okay.
Or maybe Zero put it here in order to do something to us.
Like what?
Like a
Like
virus?
maybe taking the ingredients and cooking all of us a nice meal.
Ugh.
No.
But isn't it too early for dinner?
It's been 4.5 hours since we fell
6:10.
asleep in the lounge.
4.5 hours. They knocked us out for quite a while.
No,
We'll see.
not necessarily. We could have woken up a bunch of times during all that. But if Zero erased our memories?
Of course. We wouldn't remember.
No.
What's this?
Slash the
Slash
pig's
the
and
pig's
pig's
stomach.
stomach.
Whoa! For real?
Jinx.
Would that mean that we...
Probably.
Why?
I mean, it's
Why do we
already
have to do
dead.
something like that?
It's already
I have
dead.
no idea. But it's not like we really have a choice, do we?
There's no way to leave. We're just gonna have to do what he said.
Let's give it a shot. I think this is one of the pigs. The big question is how do we get it? This time, it's pretty man heck for one hand and crack it open. What the hell are you doing? Probably gonna break his arm there. That's an outlet there. Anything here? Doesn't look like it. Major clicking spree here. There's nothing on the monitor. Do you think the researchers use the computer? Not by the looks of it. Can I not go to the typewriter? Or the keyboard, I should say. Some solutions here. Explode the mix. Are you a mad scientist? Old fashioned there. Okay. Green and pink there. Color of a nice salon. Combine them. Clean thing. Can't go lower than that. There we go. Nope. Not working there. Up we go. Looks like it's some sort of microwave. Okay. Easy enough. Whoa. So we got a root, seahorse, butterfly, and penguin. Not sure if that means anything. So far, we're just trying to collect goods. Please see if there's a spot there. So that's for some sort of specimen. I'm guessing it's for the pig, but we'll see. Anything here? Okay, that seems to be the door, right? Okay. Different colors, each of these might open with a combination. Let's give it a shot. Let's see, what are the combinations here? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 5, choose 4. Way too many to give a check there. Technically, it might be 6, choose 4, because the result is one that we can deal with. Try the home. Research notes, research the cell. Tells us about microscopic cell. Careful examination of the green and pink liquid reveals 2 different cellular structures separated liquids with different results. One thing is clear after inspecting the micros separately. The cell structure is unique to each color. Oh, that's the doll thing. What does it mean? It means we need to get to that pig and slice it open, I'm guessing. Give me a second. Let's look through it in the lens. Microscope without a lens, we need to take space here. So we need to find a lens for that. One red molecule here. Piece of DNA. Well, let's just make sure that it's something that we just click there. No, it's not that simple. That's the pig. It's a model. It doesn't have any screw. The whole shape. There. I don't think we can unscrew this. Yeah, we can. Let's cover it up there. Something about lines there. What is the meaning of a line? These lines. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. I think that's too many for the one case back there. Cover off exactly. Any idea? Memory's lost. We'll give this here. Is it 5 here? 4 buttons. Five. At least, right? Yeah. So that's 1 too many on that one. Let's go. Set index of liquids. Okay, manual device. Use to mix separate liquids. To place 2 test tubes in the liquid in the machine. Configure the mixture. One of them's 1 beaker of the liquid at a time. Configure the test tubes. Sure. All tools here. Haphazardly clicking. Is this thing something there? Hey, we get the knife. The knife is what we probably need for the pig. Clicking noises. I still haven't quite found any sort of traction for what we need. Let's get the pig out of there. My fist kind of hurts. Ouch. That would be a bad idea to put in there. I think be careful of some sort of power core. I think we can use it. We have to find a power core. One open. And there's no keyhole. I don't think there's any point in putting this in there. Covers at least 4. Wait, what? Letters appeared on the cover. Oh, the awkwardness in this. Okay, we're getting there. Orange, blue, white. Circle things that appear in the dishes. Colors there. Don't think there's any reason to put that in there. Where's the DNA thing? Oh wait, no, not the DNA thing. So we must use that to get that off there. I'm pretty sure that's blue. Okay. Combine with okay. What's our colors here? Blue. Oh. 4, 5. No. This one's giving me stumped here quite a bit. Oh, we can take the scissors to this one for sure. The knife. Ready? Cool. Okay. The incubation period of a virus, some sort mortality rate is 100%, including blood rupture and death. That was not good. Hey, that's important. That is also important. Wow, I can't believe I was struggling to get here. Cool. Oh, look at this. Weird. Like, there's nothing really there. Little fuzzies. It's too fuzzy to see. Okay, so we need to do something with the power cable first. Let's go. There we go. Car's on. We can't use it yet. We gotta look for some standby mode, right? It's covered in opening. What could it be? Must insert something in the hole. Let's see. Are we holding figures there? Let's see if this knife fits in the hole. Let's see. You're kidding me, right? Like, perfect. Let's look into these little bits here. Okay. The blade broke. No, it's useless. And let's open up the tape. liquid analysis. Let's see what's happened here. Put the liquid in first. Second. Wait, what? I should slow down there. Green one first. Red second. Let's check the process. See what colors we arrive at. Could forget the orange one. Let's see the cover. Red. Second one. Last one, let's see the process. Colors, 3 colors, stand. This is too hard. Serve the hint we covered. Okay. Okay. Orange, blue, and white, but it's not done in that bit. Well, there's only so many possibilities, right? Okay. Might be missing a color. Okay. Get closer. I know permutations, so serve the hint. I think we go here. Okay. This is a little ridiculous, but we'll try to get it going here. I think we need another color here. I think that's all 27, but I'm not sure. Looking around doesn't see. Doesn't look like a part where you can poke around. Drawers, maybe decoration, it won't open or it doesn't have a keyhole. Clean bench, but we need like a white color thing, right? I don't think there's any point in putting that in. Toast, beautiful skin. We're like missing something. Orange, blue, so yeah. How do we get other colors? That is a question I'm trying to ask myself here. We don't have orange here. So we have... trying this abstract here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, makes no sense. Orange. Oh, I need a... Okay. Let's play this a little distract here. Let's call this one 1, 2, 2-ish. 1, on white, 2 on this, and 3 on that. Try reversing it. Looks like it's in some microscope. Too fuzzy to see. Thinking here. Remove that part. Hopefully it's something wrong. Okay. And let's start separating process. Oh, this looks good. Okay, that's good. It's a red liquid. Looks like some sort of blood. Okay, awesome. White, that's a really good color to have. Let's start the separating process again. Okay, this is looking really good. Yellow. And one more spot. Wait. Okay, we need red and yellow. Second one here, and we combine these. Orange liquid, cool, that's exactly what we need. Can I do a test of one of these? White cells by themselves. Hey, they're cool there. Okay, cool. Let's do the mixture thing. That's what we were missing for sure. So it's gonna open up whatever's in this box. What is the pattern we need to do? It's either orange, blue, and white, or it's the other way around. Let's do orange first, blue next, and white. Hey, there we go. We get a baby. Some sort of cheery thing. What's this? Cylindrical creatures, human fetus. Fetus, what's wrong? Why are you turning your heads like that? Gross. But we'll put it in its place and see what we can get here. Hey, it's a computer. This series of things, 5 symbols, different colors, might be some sort of hint. Okay. Let's put the fetus where it goes first, and then we'll figure out things after that. Fits perfectly. Now what happens? Right order. Let's see what we can change around. Okay. Let's see if we can figure out things here. Can I get the pen and paper here? We're going to clear this here. So we're going to put B for bird. And then F for fish. B for bug. We'll do I for bird. And do BR for bird. BU for bug. And we'll do H for human. And we'll do question mark here for whatever. Okay, cool. Now we have that if we need it. I think that's supposed to be a plant thing, so we'll get that going here. Let's get this around. Can I look at my cheat sheet here? Not quite. I think it's this. Then we get bird. This. I think. No, we screwed that up. Human goes here. Bird goes first. This goes... I screwed up. Okay, so fish first. Then it's... bird. I don't know what's happening here. Oh, we'll check that in a minute here. But I want to get this. So it's... Can I not move this test tube? I can't. Which means bug is fixed. If bug is fixed, what does that mean? That can't be right. No, bug is in the center. Man. Okay. We need to think laterally here. So bug has to be one of these two, or I'm doing the wrong order here. Where could bug be? Species reference on the shelf. It's fish. So it's fish, plant, insect, bird, and human categories, if I got that right. We're gonna do it in the order and just try to wing it here. Okay. Oh, come on. Search the lab for... I know the clue, but it's like not letting me put in the order here. This one is fixed. Okay. I'm so lost here. I wonder if the colors have anything to do with it. So if we go bird, plant, fish, bug, human, that works. So plant is second, fish is middle, and bird is first. So bird is first. Bird is first. Oh, come on. Let's double check that to see if that's right. Okay. Bird, plant, fish. Bird, plant, fish. Bird, plant, fish. Bird, plant, fish thing. How is that wrong? What other ways can we read this graph here? Fish, human, fish. I'll just try to go in a circle here. So I'll be plant, bird, fish, human. Okay. I'll start with plant first. Bird, fish, human. Oh, really? Come on, game. We'll try reversing the order then. Come on. search the lab and see if there's somewhere else. Is there anywhere else that we can get a hint here? I just am not finding it. Do we want to do different colors here? Species in itself. I don't know, maybe it's some sort of count thing. That would be like so annoying and tedious though. All the cells have white by the liquid themselves. Is this too fuzzy again? Okay, let's try separating it out and see if we can find anything here. Yep. Oh man, I am super stumped here, but we'll see what we can do here. Unless that one puzzle is being a double dipper, which if it is, then I don't know what to make of it. Oh man. What to even do. But yeah. Let's go. Can we do anything with this here? Doesn't look like it. So I'm going to go exhaustive on this. We'll see what it is. So we're gonna move it here, see if that's it here. Nope. Because we can't move this thing, so that's the major thing. Swap that over there, check. Swap these two. Nope. Oh, they're giving up of mechanics here. There's only so many combinations though. I can't remember if we checked this one. We'll try a bird second here. Oh, I forgot there's a whole set of ones we have to check already. Okay, we'll check this first. Okay, swap. Come on. I think we'll go here. I don't know if I did that one right. It's gonna be really mad at us, but we gotta keep trying here. The exhaustive way of doing things. I can't even remember all the combinations I've done. I don't understand it. Amazing. Eric, how did you figure out? I don't have any idea because it's force file. Let's check out the machine on my device there. Let's open it up. It hurt. What the? It's his fingerprint. It's got something, some sort of track. I'm bleeding here. So that's how it means you pass the authentication. Over there, the sync is turned on. So we have penguin, seahorse. So the first one was bird. I don't even know how that would even work there. So it's bird, then fish, then human, then bug, then plant. I honestly don't get it. I don't get it. Its power is on the water. It's power on, but doesn't mean there's water. Green light, which means it's power. Does it charge anything? Let's see if we can move things. Okay. It doesn't have any water. It's a destroy scalpel. Let's get it out here. Hey, we get another scalpel. Second chance to go for that pig. I can't move it means. Yay. Lights red. Did I do something wrong? One way to figure out. Hey, it broke. Cool. That's what I need. It's heavy. It's disgusting bland. Let's move in here. Eric that. Let's cut open this pig. Why are you not letting this go? Why? Why? I just want to cut open the pig. Put in the sink, it'll be easier than the solid surface. Okay. In the sink you go. In the sink of water. Why do we need water? We just need to cut open the pig. Does it say this needs to go in the sink? Why do I need water for this? I'm so confused. Kimmy is super short glass piece area is very break easily. Plus maybe designed for that. It breaks from the side. I just don't get it. Oh, there we go. That's what it means by using the sink there. The scalpel there trick. Myra, what you doing? Let's look inside. We need a puzzle for the key thing there. You found it.
Zero.
17 years ago, a woman died. Her chest carved open, shot off.
Hey, it's what the kid said earlier before.
What difference? That woman was alive. Her heart was still beating as the organs trembled hard. The male suspect was quickly caught. He must have planned to escape the attack scene, as he called one before his capture. The police arrested him before he was able to utilize the waiting vehicle to flee the scene. Instead, the genius surgeon climbed inside. He was heading to the hospital. A seriously ill patient awaiting his arrival for life-saving treatment.
That's good at least.
The taxi got into an accident before reaching its destination.
That's not good.
It collided with a large truck. The result was horrendous. Sadly, as a result of this accident, the driver and surgeon died, as well as the young boy waiting for surgery. Life is truly unbearable.
Yep, it is. That's how it goes.
What is the point of him telling us this story?
I guess to make us
It's
sad.
just some kind of act, right? Probably doesn't mean anything.
I'm not sure.
Now then, let's begin our game, shall we? The rules are as follows. The pig's stomach you cut open
Radical 6.
This virus is special. It awakens a desire to kill oneself, among other things. Once infected, symptoms appear as early as 10 minutes, or take up to 2 hours. And the
10 minutes to 2 hours? That is a big range.
suicide irresistible. The mortality rate is 75%.
Hey, it's not 100.
It's highly contagious. Oh yes, I believe we located a set of documents during our search of this room. The set of files are FBR, the Fanatic Bio-R virus. The mortality rate of this virus is 100%. Infection
Yeah, it's much worse.
erupting from your body.
Gross.
An antagonistic relationship exists between Radical 6 and FBR. If you were to be infected by Radical 6, it would be cancelled out with the addition of FBR, and you are unaffected. Conversely, injecting Radical 6 into you after becoming infected with FBR will cause them to destroy each other and leave no adverse effects on you.
So, a single virus is toxic, but using the other as a vaccination provides an antidote.
Odd.
Here's an important piece of information for you. I am what you'd call a clairvoyant, one who knows the future.
What is he talking about?
He sees the future, like you said.
I had foreseen that you would all choose to inject Radical 6 at this moment. I would have made sure to coat FBR on the fingerprint of the depletion device for you. Meaning, you'd already be infected with the Fanatic Bio-R virus.
That device over there?
Oh, I do remember feeling something when I touched it. Like a prick.
So we were all stabbed by a poison needle?
On the other hand, if I saw that you were not going to inject yourselves with Radical 6, then I would be sure to leave the needle behind. That way, you would not become infected with Fanatic Bio-R.
Wait, what? What are you saying?
I'll say it once more. If all of you plan to inject yourselves with Radical 6, you already have FBR. If you are not going to inject yourselves, then you are not infected right now.
So, it's a win-win.
Either case, you being saved is a foregone conclusion. There's no reason for you to worry about the situation.
It's like being in a supercomputer or against a supercomputer.
Inject yourselves with Radical 6, or refrain. It would be best to conceal carefully. I will say that your decision is already known to me.
So we're not, because if we have... Well, we have the
So
FB.
wait,
It's either 100% dead or
We even need
100%
to
alive.
choose?
Huh?
If what Zero told us is the truth, then the outcome will be the same. If we inject ourselves with this Radical 6, we're already infected with FBR. So they destroy each other and we're fine. And if we don't do it, that just means we weren't infected with FBR in the first place.
But what if it's a lie?
Huh?
He's saying, what if he's lying about being psychic? Well, if you think about it, the likelihood that he's lying is incredibly high.
So then, what do we do? What the hell do we do?
This is like playing against somebody that... There's a lot of paradoxes around this where you either choose $1,000 or not. And if you get like an extra bit, you get... If it predicts what you meant, then... we're not gonna inject ourselves. I don't feel I need to do that quite yet.
Maybe we shouldn't.
Yeah, right?
Care to share your reason?
After everything, the issue isn't if Zero can see the future or if he's lying. It's just like Eric said. If Zero does have that power, then it's the same either way. That means all we need to do is think about what happens if he doesn't have powers. The important thing to determine is if we're actually infected with FBR.
So you don't think we are then?
No. In fact, a virus virus called Fanatic Bio R existing in the first place is very suspicious.
Radical 6 sounds just as fantastical.
No. There's no doubt that Radical 6 is real.
Dun dun
I've
dun.
heard of it before. Well, it could be that Zero wants us to become infected with Radical 6. But instead of doing it himself, for some reason he's unable to.
So he needs us to do it ourselves then.
Hey,
But
what
yeah,
the-
there's a number of paradoxes that go through this.
It opened.
It mostly involves $1 million case and a $1,000 other
If
case.
we're too slow, then the door might up and close
And
on
it
us.
has to do with
Wait,
if you be
Eric.
greedy or you be not. Can't remember what it's called, but it has to do with a divine agent knowing if you do or not.
Hey, Mira! What are you doing?
She's being dumb. Is she gonna assassinate somebody? I think she might kill somebody. Mira could be evil as hell. Hey, it's
Must
a
have been
duck.
right not to inject it. I still feel okay, and more importantly, the door opened for us.
There's still another possibility, you know. That Zero really does have the ability to see the future.
If it's true, then we would have been right if we had injected the needles too.
I mean, it's the same either way, but I guess it gives Mira
Did
the
you tell the
ability.
truth earlier?
About what?
About Radical 6 being real.
Oh, yeah.
How do you know about it?
Well, I'm not sure.
It's the
You get any
fun
more suspicious?
sort
I know
of...
what I know, okay? I
Oh, what
can't
is it
help
called?
that.
Amnesia.
So why not share? Tell us
Yes, he
more
doesn't.
about this Radical 6 virus.
Slows your thought process down to a 6.
I'm not even sure where to start.
How about its name?
Oh, that's easy. Aside from triggering intense suicidal impulses, Radical 6 causes the infected's thought process to reduce by 1√6. Therefore,
So about like
when 1
a
second
third?
passes for them, the world has gone through √6 seconds, or roughly 2.45 seconds. There is also the word radical. Aside from meaning things like extreme, it can also refer to a radical root. Get it?
It's
So
mathematical.
that's why it's Radical 6.
But is it really possible for thought speed to be slowed down like that?
Yep. The infected, through changes in DNA methylation and histomodification, gain epigenetic mutations in the control mechanisms of their genetic expressions.
Wait,
A lot of words.
could you maybe simplify that, please?
Oh, the body's composition changes as a genetic switch is flipped, more or less.
A genetic...
That
Switch?
feels like gobbledygook to get around the sci-fi bits
Let's
of
try
it.
this. A common scientific thought until now was that parental characteristics didn't transfer. Recent research has changed that. We now know that they can be by flipping certain genetic switches. Well, regardless of what kind of experiences the parents had to go through, their DNA blueprints won't change. But within that expansive DNA coding, the question of what should be read seems to change. based
This
on
feels
experience.
inaccurate, but we'll see.
The change becomes especially apparent when the parents' lives are in danger.
Like maybe if someone was trapped in a shelter and forced to risk their life.
So, if Eric and I did the horizontal tango right now, the baby might end up psychic.
Let's not test that out.
Anyway, so if Radical 6 really does flip the genetic switch... Hey, are you listening?
He's in a fantasy world.
Yeah. So you're basically saying this Radical 6 virus is super dangerous, right?
More than super dangerous.
Yes, there's no doubt it is. So, Zero said earlier that Radical 6 transmits through bodily fluids and is highly infectious. If someone infected with the virus was to go outside, then
Then...
mankind, 6 billion people, will die.
6 billion?
Okay.
3 X-passes will be
So C team is
Fire. Crash. 5. That
Fire
is all.
Crash 5.
What the hell? C-Team is dead?
It's obviously because of the vote
I'm not sure about
Vote?
that.
at 13:30.
Then... But wait. Did everyone from C-Team really die? We haven't seen their corpses or anything. They might still be alive.
No, they're dead. I'm sure of it.
Why?
Because
So they have collars or something on that.
He's right. I don't think they're alive.
You too, Mira? What do you think, old man? C-Team's gotta be alive, right?
What are you doing, Eric?
He's being
He's not gonna
insane.
answer you.
Hey, you don't know. Maybe he...
Let's not be
Can
totally
speak?
insane. I'm a dog. Hi, Zero.
Now it is time for you to sleep.
0.
When next you wake, know you will have no memory of these past 90 minutes.
Let's go.
Pleasant dreams.
So you want to check out the other bit? I might check out the other bit. It's gonna push this over like an hour, but But oh, I don't get the combination of the puzzle thing. There's something over here that we could go for. Let's go for a quick. We'll do the bad voting later, but we can do this here.
0.
So there is a color pattern that we should figure out there.
It's
So many flashes there. We'll try injecting ourselves and see what we get in this illusion here. Sure, why not? Technically, this would be the right option if you didn't think he had psychic power, or if you thought it was like... I'm not sure if it's 50-50, but if you thought it was
Let's do it.
50-50 if he had psychic
Why?
powers or not,
here to share your reason?
because it's probably
After
better if he...
everything, the issue isn't if Zero can see the future or if he's lying. It's just like Eric said. If Zero does have that power, then it's the same either way. That means all we need to do is think about what happens if he doesn't.
We have 75% chance
There are
we
four different
inject
ways
him,
if
we...
that's the situation.
Yeah.
If we are infected with FBR and we inject ourselves with Radical 6, or not. If we aren't infected with FBR and we inject ourselves with Radical 6, or not. The important thing we need to remember, though, is the mortality rate.
I feel like there's a fallacy somebody here, but...
The casualty rate is 75% for the Radical 6 virus. And we saw in the files that death is 100% confirmed for Fnatic Bio-R. So we can use that to determine. It's clear which option is best, right?
I see. The probability that we're infected with FBR is 2 to 1, which means if we inject Radical 6, our survival rate is half of 125, 62.5%.
Yeah, man.
Don't inject it, then our chance is sitting at 50%.
Any objections?
It's mathematical.
We know what to do. Okay, here we go. Ready? And...
If you're dealing with a 100% clairvoyant thing, I don't know which way it makes sense per se.
So are we good? Did we do the right thing?
The lab door opened afterwards, so we must have.
do you feel any different?
No, not really.
So, I guess?
Oh, that face is
Hey,
creepy.
Eric. I've thought this before. Her laugh is kind of strange.
I agree with her.
Oh, I'm sorry. I guess this is, well, sort of a bad habit I've had since I was a kid.
What do you mean?
Issues at home, I guess.
Was your family difficult?
That's just it. We were completely normal. A kind mom, clumsy dad, and an annoying little brother.
Oh, this is being annoying.
Dear, what's wrong?
I'm not sure. They've just been crying.
Hey, you two. Mind telling Mommy why you're crying?
Chris broke my toy!
No! It was your fault, Eric!
Chris, Eric, listen to me, okay? When painful or sad things happen, people get angry or cry because of them. Even at those times, I want you to never forget to smile. Smile? Yes, smile.
Oh, that's a painful bit
No
there.
matter how painful things get. 'Cause
That's
as
not
long as
good.
you can face it with a smile, happiness will come to you. Smiles have a strange power.
This is being creepy.
Yes, really. And that's not all. A smile can make everyone all around you happy too.
You too, Mommy? You'll be happy too?
Of course. So why don't you two stop fighting and show Mommy your smile?
It's sweating.
Okay.
It's sweet in context, but right now it's being really creepy.
Sure are something else. Hey, what about me? Daddy get some smiles too?
Oh dear, it looks like Daddy's lovely, you two. Let's all give him a whole lot of smiles.
Okay.
Get over here for a hug.
Let's go.
Oh, you've gotten big.
Me too. Me too.
Okay, okay. Come at me. I'm ready.
Yay! Mom always told us to never forget to smile. She never hurt a bug. Not even if
Aw.
a line of ants crossed her path. She was that kind and gentle.
I think I realized what I
She was
needed to do back
incredible.
there.
And when we lost her, that's when Dad changed.
We needed to look at the thing under the microscope to open the locker up.
Shut the hell up! Who said you can fucking cry?
Jesus Christ. Don't punch kids.
Oh, Jesus, Eric! Can't you even look after your shitty little brother?
I'm sorry. Forgive me. Please forgive me.
God. Fucking kids. Hey, go find someone to get me beer.
Wow, went super soft there.
Don't cry. Don't get mad. You better always smile. Was what Dad liked to say.
Fuck that dad.
Unlike Mom, he was never not angry with us. Eventually, I figured out how to smile, regardless of what was going on.
This is why this is bad advice.
Smiling day in and day out. No fun. Not happy. I'd be made fun of or yelled at. But no matter the pain, no matter how bad it was, I never raised my voice. I just kept smiling.
Not good for sure.
I didn't stop, even after Dad fell ill and died.
Yeah, good thing you died.
So I guess the two smiles, one taught by my mom and one forced by my dad, got kind of mixed up, and the result is what I pasted on my face.
Eric, she's...
I've never talked to anyone about all of this before, but Mira,
Therapy might help.
will you still love me, even with me being like this?
How dumb can you get?
Yeah, you're right. I didn't even have to ask, did I?
Eric, thanks for sharing that.
It wasn't like I did it for you or anything. It just sort of came out, that's all.
Yeah. Still, thanks.
Tell the truth, I just didn't want to end up like my father.
Yeah, that's a good reason not to do that.
My mouth to keep smiling through
That's
everything.
not as good.
But it's no use. The worst part of me still came to the front after we got trapped here. Pushed all of that on you, too.
Don't worry about it. I'm alright.
Okay.
So, you never mentioned you had a younger brother.
Yeah. About your age, more or less.
Aw.
What? We're the same age? Oh, maybe we could be friends.
Maybe
Would it
he is your
be okay
brother.
if I met him after we get out?
Well.
Did he die?
Anyway, sorry I turned the mood dark.
Did he die?
You turn the mood. Oh, your jokes always crack me up, Eric.
It's not a joke,
Huh?
but yeah.
I mean, to think that was dark. You really have a sense for these things.
Is she gonna go crazy on us?
Don't worry, listening to it was a lot of fun.
Wait a minute.
What the fuck is up with her?
What makes you think that was all a joke?
Uh-huh.
It was such a sad story. He just told us he's been holding in this painful past the whole time. How is that a joke?
Oh, I just didn't think to make a mistake like that.
A mistake?
I'm so sorry. I've always been clumsy. It's at times like these that
super
I don't
confused.
even know how to look, you know?
Clumsy?
Hey, Eric.
What the fuck is
Can you tell
happening?
me?
Mira?
This is being iffy. Oh, you're kidding me. Really? She's a bitch.
What?
I'm confused too. That's a
No.
lot of blood. Get out of the way, kid.
Mira? Why did you...
Because she's evil as hell, I guess. Oh, it's one way or the other, I guess. Wow. She is way more evil
What's
than I
wrong
thought.
with you, Mira? Stop!
Oh! She has Radical 6. That's what happened. That makes sense. Never mind.
No!
Yeah, she has to have Radical 6. Now we kill ourselves, right? It's the only way this makes sense from a character development point. So I was right to not trust it the first time. All sections cleared there. Okay, well, I'm gonna call it apart. I'm gonna go back there and check if I can figure out that locker and see if that's important. If it is, I'll bring it up next time. But I don't know if it'll be too much. It'll probably just be a clue and stuff like that. But you guys, take care. Peace, love. Don't get Radical 6. And see you later. Bye.